So does the sit at home still hold in Enugu? Is the sit at home still affecting businesses and economic activities within the city of Enugu? This is the question this video intends to answer right here today. Hello, I am Jeff Anozie and I'm very excited to bring you this news again. You can see this is Guaranty Trust Bank in Rangers Avenue. You can see there are cars parked in front of it. The next bank right here is Fidelity Bank. There are cars. That means that there's activities in this bank, right? And the goal of this video is to bring you up to speed what is happening within the city of Enugu on Mondays, right? Today is a Monday and I'm just driving from this Rangers Avenue Independence layout through Ogui Road to New Haven. If you love this type of content, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and share with as many people as possible that are interested in seeing what activities look like in our beautiful cities. Look at the greenery. Isn't this beautiful? I just love the greenery within here. This is Presidential Road Junction. To the right there is the defunct Presidential Hotel. That's it right there, and we're driving straight down to Presidential Road. I'm excited to be bringing you this type of videos. I mean, I love to flaunt and showcase our beautiful city of Enugu. Enugu is one of the peaceful, one of the most calm, happy, peaceful cities in all of southern Nigeria. I'm talking about both the south and the southeast. Exactly. Enugu is a beautiful city, it's calm, and like you can see, this is Presidential Road. This is a Monday. There's a lot of activities there. In some part of Enugu on Mondays as well, there is hold up, traffic. Alright, though this is car wash. This place is popularly called Car Wash Junction, and to the right there are mechanics. It's kind of like a mini mechanic village. Like you can see, cars are there. So if you don't want to go to camp to go and fix your car, there's a place called Camp which is the main mechanic village. You can easily just come here and fix it. Alright, this is Presidential Road. Right here is Onuator, and look at this beautiful plaza. Cozy, yes, very nice plaza that somebody just built there. And this is Onuator Junction, and we're driving down to Onu Asata. At the next junction, Onu Asata, to the left is Obiago. It's the beautiful city of Obiago. Alright, but we're heading straight down towards Ogui Road. Right. Again, if you like this type of videos, please hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel so you see more of it. And if there are other places too in Enugu that you would love to see, please do let us know in the comment section so that we can as well create videos in those places. Alright, so this is from Onu Asata. We're heading towards Ogui Road through a place called Okono. And I was asking him in one of my videos why they named this place Okono. Okono sounds like an English name. And Enugu is an ancient city. It's one of the first places that white people came to in the southeast. Enugu, as far back as 1909, there were already many cities within Enugu. And I'm guessing that one of the, if you know, please leave it in the comment section. I would like to know why this place is called Okono, who Okono is, and the history of the name Okono. I have no idea. I would love to know. Right. Next junction is this is Eastern Shop. That's Stadium straight there. That building straight up there is Stadium and Access Bank. But we're turning to the right to Ogui Road. That is Stadium. That there is the Nnamdi Azikiwe Stadium. But we're turning right to Ogui Road. So I just left the office and I was driving down to New Haven. And I thought that, okay, I know a lot of people would like to know what economic activities look like currently in Enugu on a Monday. Alright, this is Monday, and you want to know, if the economic activities in the city is back to normal. And as much as yes, we are still we're excited about the fact that the governor provides some security as often as possible, but of course we still try to be careful even as we move around our economic activities on Monday. So this is Ogui Road, and personally as a business owner, On Mondays I go to work, and I also go for inspections as well. Again, we're just doing it with all carefulness, even though, again, like I said, the governor actually has provided quite sufficient security right now. So this is Ogui Road. We're heading towards Artisan, and these big plazas are just coming up along this road. Ogui Road is one of the most economic vibrant roads in Enugu. It is busy. It is one of the most busy when it comes to economic activities. Ogui Road is it. Okay, so we just passed in Ngemanze, and we're heading to Old Artisan. This Old Artisan Junction, Old Artisan Market. So the left goes to Urban or Tunnel and Opera Avenue, but this is Old Artisan Market. The market is right there to the right, but we're heading straight up to Chinatown, to Otigba, and then to New Haven. If you're looking for a property to buy within Enugu, I am the right person to call. Call the number shown on your screen: 0809673768, and we will make sure to give you something that suits your budget. We're actually also doing something we call resell. So we help you resell within 12 months. So if you buy a piece of property from us from two of our estates, this is specific about two of our estates, right? Elite Courts and Coral Garden. So if you buy from either of these estates, we help you sell in 12 months. Now this is Otigba. This is Otigba Junction, a popular Otigba Junction, and that building right there, I think that's number 1 Chime. The big building to the left there, that one, number 1 Chime. There's a traffic light here. This traffic light is New Haven Junction. So Otigba Junction is kind of like the connection between Ogui Road and New Haven. So this is New Haven. We've gone past the traffic light, and then we're heading into New Haven. This is Lower Chime, New Haven. So New Haven is divided into Lower Chime and Upper Chime. Alright, this is Lower Chime, we're heading towards Upper Chime. So as I was saying, so we help you sell your plot within the next 12 months with a minimum of 20% return on investment. Okay, now this is guaranteed because we actually give you a post-dated check, because we are sure that we can help you sell off in 12 months with a minimum of 20% return. We give you a post-dated check and also a contract of sale. So these guarantee you. So we're going into a contract with you. We sign with a contract of agreement. We sign and agree that at the end of 12 months we can sell back your plot for you and then give you a 20% return as well. Yes, and then towards the end of 12 months, and you feel like you want to keep the plots or the land, of course, a month to the expiration, you let us know, and the land is yours. That's as simple as that. This is Assemblies of God Junction. So you can see to the right there, that's Assemblies of God. Opposite it is Ntachi. Right, the next bus stop. We've gone past Mr. Big's bus stop. So we've gone past First Bank bus stop, Mr. Big bus stop, Assemblies. This is Uduma. I think this is Uduma bus stop. Kindly correct me if I'm wrong. The next bus stop I just passed is Uduma. Then we'll climb this little hill, and then we'll now see Akalaka bus stop. And I think this is the beginning of Upper Chime. Alright, you see Akalaka bus stop. After Akalaka bus stop, I think it's primary school. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yes, primary school bus stop. And after primary school, we then see Sabbath bus. We now see Psychiatry bus stop. So the neuropsychiatric hospital is to the left there. I think this is the only one in the southeast. The National Federal Neuropsychiatric Hospital. So after Psychiatry bus stop, you then see Sabbath bus stop to the right. Yes, I think the next bus stop is Sabbath bus stop. Again, please correct me if I'm wrong. I'm doing this off my head. So after Sabbath, you then see this beautiful, fine, big, I think this was a hotel, Juke Hotel, Juke. It's called Juke. Very nice building. I like the building. It looks like a historic, one of these historic buildings. And then Fourth Dimension restaurant. Fourth Dimension. After Fourth Dimension, then Ugo Home bus stop. I think that's the next one. Alright, and this is the end of Upper Chinle, New Heaven, at the roundabout. So from here we then go, when you take this roundabout, take left, you go to New Heaven Junction by Express. Alright, and that connects you with Enugu Abakaliki Expressway, but we're not going there today. I'll turn and go back to where I was going to. The goal of this video was basically to show you around, see activities happening on the Monday. Again, I am Jeff Anozie. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, hit the like button so that we can bring you more of this type of videos from time to time. In the comment section, I'd like to know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know. If there are things you feel we should correct and do again, do better next time, please let me know. And again, if there's any way you want us to show you, please leave it in the comment section so we can make time to go there and make videos for you. So I'll come your way again, and keep being amazing, and bye.